So hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and in this vlog we are going to Mysore, Bandipur and Gopal Swami Betta. Betta means hill, alright. And so the main thing is Mysore. So welcome back to a new vlog, and I'm in my uniform right now. So I have online classes today. After these classes we are going on road, means on car. So it's 180 kilometers from Bengaluru to Mysore, and stay tuned. And today I have a freaking OT. Who don't know what is OT? Objective test, yeah, objective test. So now I'm gonna finish that, and basically we'll go to Mysore. So stay tuned. Bye. So right now I am going to do the test, and all my classes are over right now. It's gonna start in 1 minute, so you can watch a time lapse of me doing the test. Bye. So guys, it has been correctly 1.5 hours since we have left, and we are here for a coffee break near Shivali coffee and restaurant to have filter coffee. Yeah, hot filter coffee. And the best part is I literally saw McDonald's while coming through, so we're gonna go there and stop there too. These people, you know, they wanted to have coffee, so we stopped here. But afterwards, we are going to McDonald's to have French fries. So guys, this is the view of from the top. So this is the temple which I showed you, and this is the view basically from the top. So this is the Nimishamba temple, which is the main highlight. So here are some churmuri and velpuri stalls in front of the fresh, clean Kaveri. So you can not take a dip but splash this water. It's fresh, clean Kaveri water. We are here in this place called it's some ashram. Let me ask. Again, what ashram?
Ganapati Sachidananda.
Yeah, this is Ganapati Sachidananda Ashram, and in this there will be some kind of laser show which is very famous and awesome according to Google. So we are gonna visit this. The show is at 7:30, but it's good to be around 30 minutes early. So we are here at 7:10. So let's see inside. So the show we wanted to go, the time of the show basically. So it's raining over here. Well, so the show we were seeing, it was cancelled because of rain. So we need to wait for the next show. All right. So this is the back side of the place, where everything is allowed.
ಗುರುಗಳೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಅದು.
ನಿಜಮನ ಮುಕುರ ಸುಧಾರಿ ವರ್ಣೌ ರಘುವರ ವಿಮಲ ಯಶ ಜೋದಾಯಕ ಪರಚಾರಿ ಬಲಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದೇವೋಯ हरम गणेश विकार हरम गणेश विकार
So guys, we saw the laser show now. It was 8.5 minutes. It was really great. So guys, we are here at this very famous place called Mahesh Prasad, and we are here to have dinner. So right now, after 5 to 10 minutes wait time, as this was a famous restaurant, many people were there. So I took masal puri right now, and let's enjoy bui. So after having food, the food was good, of course. I expected. We are at this creepy place. Just kidding, guys. This is actually the place we are living in is my father's friend home, basically. So forget all that creepy and stuff. It's just nothing, guys. This is the place where we are gonna live, and I'll blur that car plate, of course. And I'll meet you in the room. So they have given this room. It has 2 beds here and 2 beds here, a bathroom, an AC, and this is it. A table over there, and so this is it. I'll meet you tomorrow. Good night, guys.